Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom application auto reply email on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly help with today's task, which is how to create a custom application auto reply email on Ziprecruiter. So from this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the My Account tab. So select My Account. You're going to find this extended menu that says Subscriptions, Settings, Help Center, and Sign Out. So click on Settings and you're going to find this extended menu. You see Users, Hiring Companies, Career Page Widget, all the way down to Options. So go ahead and click on Hiring Companies. So over here, go ahead and select the company that you want to perform this function on. Let's say Mary Fashions. Okay, so this is the company. If you have a list of other companies, just go ahead and click that. So here you have this Actions button. So select the Actions button. You find this extended menu that says Info and Logo, Career Page Widget, Hiring Badges, Auto Reply Email. So click on Auto Reply Email, and it's going to take you to this window where you can now add your new auto reply email. So here is it. Hi John Doe, your job application for has been received and the hiring manager has been notified. So go ahead and select it from this communication bar, message from the hiring manager, and enter the new message, the custom application auto reply mail. Enter the new one, and after entering this new one, go ahead and click on Save Messages. After clicking on Save Messages, that's going to be it. You'll be able to create your new custom application auto reply email on Ziprecruiter. Now note, these emails are sent as no reply, and if you like candidates to contact you, include your contact information inside the email text box. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.